Hi, I noticed you're reading a book. What genre do you like?
Oh, hi, I love mystery novels. How about you?
Have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Yeah, I was there last weekend. Their coffee is amazing.
I heard you're into photography. What's your favorite subject?
I love capturing candid moments. People can be so expressive.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Definitely. Hiking and biking are my favorites. How about you?
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
Skydiving last summer, it was incredible. Have you tried it?
Any exciting travel plans for the upcoming holidays?
I'm thinking of exploring Europe. How about you?
Do you have a favorite movie genre?
Romantic comedies all the way. What about you?
I'm trying to learn a new language. Any tips?
Immersion is key. Watch movies, listen to music, and practice with native speakers.
What's your go-to stress relief activity?
Yoga helps me unwind. How about you?
I'm thinking of starting a podcast. Any topic suggestions?
How about discussing fascinating historical events?
Have you ever attended a music festival?
Yes, the energy is incredible. Do you have a favorite festival?
I'm terrible at cooking. Any easy recipes you recommend?
Try a simple pasta dish. It's hard to go wrong with pasta.
Do you have any favorite childhood memories?
Camping trips with my family, the best times.
I love your artwork. What inspires your creativity?
Nature and emotions. They tell the most beautiful stories.
How do you stay motivated to work out regularly?
Find something you enjoy, like dancing or swimming. It won't feel like a workout.
Coffee or tea?
Tea, definitely. The variety is endless.
I heard you're into volunteering. What causes are you passionate about?
Environmental conservation and education. It feels good to give back.
What's the last concert you attended?
I saw a fantastic indie band last month. The energy was electric.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be?
Marie Curie, her contributions to science are awe-inspiring.
What's your dream job?
Running my own sustainable business, making a positive impact matters to me.